A big overview of the Galt House as an entity. It's our only over 1,000 room hotel in Louisville, and it really has cornered the market on group functions and opportunities to visit the city. So with the renovation, I see this really as a rebirth for the whole hotel, and you'll see that, I think, as we walk through. This was the first tower built, I believe, with more conventional style financing, got it all done, opened to rave success, and then moved on to the second tower. But Al Schneider was such a iconic character. He built the whole facility with no debt. But you really do finally get a sense of what the Galt House could be through its whole campus. And if you had an opportunity to have seen East Tower's lobby even 2 weeks ago, you'd be shocked to see the difference. It's the kind of building we could have spent twice this. And I think we were headed down that path way back. But I think some changes in approach and focus have really got him a fantastic project. I think one of the biggest things that I see for this hotel and trying to get themselves out of the traditional hotel restaurant is really making a sense of a place that will pull a Louisvillian into it. The scale of the hotel is what really throws you off. It's an 8,000 square foot kitchen, it's a 12,000 square foot dining room. So, I mean, you start to think about your own home. How many of your homes can fit inside of that? But this was gutted again down to studs.
Including the floor that we're standing on. This is actually a double slab construction. We ripped out all the top slab, all the plumbing below it. We're standing in what used to be the fountain room. And this room originally, from the original construction, had enough wood paneling in it to probably build 3 or 4 small houses. The biggest challenge here was, one, our ceiling height, but also how do we transform a room that has been a cave for 40 years into something that felt light and airy. So we're standing in one of the new rooms. We didn't change the footprint. The major scope here is we completely gutted the bathroom, redid all of that. Some of the walls in here are actually wallpaper over faux wood paneling. Galt House spent a lot of money on their rooms.
I think everyone probably recognizes where we are. This is the 25th floor restaurant, originally known as Review Restaurant. Has the 2 revolving discs at the end facing the river. But I think one of the things they really wanted to try to do with this space is to come back to a more elegant sort of supper club feel to it.
One of the major things that we've decided to do is where I'm standing right now, and basically the entire half of the floor where the restaurant used to be was raised 18 inches. So there's a second slab about this high through the whole thing.
I've told Scott several times, I think he's getting a $100 million project for $85 million. It really shows. Knowing it when it first opened, it's magical what's happened.